Hey guys, Angelique here, and in today's video I will be covering what is a sales funnel and how does it even work. Now before, it looks like I'm shirtless, but I'm wearing a tube top, so I'm just gonna put my hair there. Now before I jump into this video, I just wanted to let you guys know about the free workshop that is talking about ways to make money online. So make sure you check out the free workshop and I'll see you guys there. So in short, a marketing funnel is essentially a marketing strategy that moves people down from being a cold prospect to purchasing, and then also their post-purchase experience of possibly becoming brand loyal and things like that. So a funnel's main goal is to nurture the entire customer sales journey. When they become aware of your brand or your product, to deciding to purchase, to then habitually using your product or service in their day-to-day life, those are all stages of the funnel that increase your customer experience, but also allows your brand to gain the visibility and brand awareness that is so critical to business success. So essentially, the marketing funnel is to nurture your customers as much as you can from the get-go. If you want to learn about the different stages of what a marketing funnel entails, make sure you check out my video, Marketing 101, What is a Sales Funnel? That basically covers all of the four, which I add a fifth, stages of the marketing sales funnel, and basically explains how it can be implemented into your business. So essentially, when it comes to sales funnels, there are three broad categories: the top of the funnel, the middle of the funnel, and the bottom of the funnel. These stages refer to the buyer's life cycle. So top of funnel is essentially the largest audience reach. These are the people that are slowly being introduced to your brand and slowly becoming aware that your brand exists. This is your coldest audience, people who do not know you exist yet. And so that covers the top of funnel, and it's named because it's genuinely at the top of the funnel. The middle of the funnel is still a cold audience, but they're slowly warming up to your brand and what you do as a service or a business, as a brand, or what offers you essentially create. So these are the people who are one step down the funnel and are actively, researching things about your brand, looking through your shop. These people are actively trying to solve a problem with finding a product, program, or service that answers that specific problem. The bottom of the funnel, which is down here, is essentially the people who are most likely going to convert. They are just about ready to make a purchase and are probably the group of people from that entire audience that is most likely to make a purchase. This doesn't only include people purchasing for the first time. This bottom of the funnel area also includes people who have purchased before, who may become repeat buyers. So that's kind of the anatomy of a funnel, moving from top to bottom. Is the whole purpose of a funnel is to nurture your audience and nurture their entire life cycle as a buyer, because depending on where they're at in the funnel, they'll need different things to be aware of your brand. When someone is being introduced to your brand for the first time, they might not need to know that you're on sale or you have a special going on, because they don't know you exist yet. When you're talking to someone at the top of the funnel, you want to address their problems. You want to talk to them in a way that builds your brand visibility. The way you talk to that person is way different than how you talk to someone who's a repeat buyer. You don't need to explain what you do or what you offer, because odds are someone who's purchased from you already knows. And so at that point, to keep them around, you want to celebrate the fact that they've been a customer for so long and talk to them about upcoming sales or new launches or things that excite them to come back into your purchase funnel. So that's basically the purpose of the funnel, is segmenting your audience so that you as a business and a brand can communicate to them in the most efficient and effective way possible. So how does a marketing funnel work? The way a marketing funnel works genuinely depends on what you do as a business. There are tons of funnel softwares and programs that you can use to make this process easier, but it depends on what you do as a business. So say you're an e-commerce business and you sell jewelry, something that might be be a part of your funnel is, you know, obviously the top of funnel, which might be things like Facebook ads, your Instagram account, your TikTok videos, your influencer relations. Basically, these are all of the things that you need to do as a brand to get your brand out into the world. So top of funnel basically covers how you're gonna get your audience attracted into your business. So that's top level promotion. Middle of the funnel is still in the ad phase or, you know, social media phase, but now they've maybe decided to follow you, or they've decided to check out your website for the first time. They've decided to browse your shop. And so that's middle of the funnel. They're now exploring your brand, exploring what you have to offer, what you give to the world, what your mission statement is, who your CEO is. They are trying to find out more about the brand and how it relates to the buyer as a person in their everyday life. When it comes to the bottom of the funnel, your customer now has probably decided that you have something that they want. So if you're still a jewelry company, they're probably seeing, oh, well, this sapphire necklace is my gemstone and, you know, it really means something to me. So now they're making a decision to buy. These are the people who are most likely going to buy. And that audience is probably the audience you want to nurture the most. And oftentimes what people do with the bottom of the funnel list is they create different nurture sequence to keep them around. So big one is email marketing, and an email list is so impactful no matter what stage of business you're in. When it comes to email funnels, that is the best way your audience can really get to know everything you do as a brand. And oftentimes I think the best marketing funnels that I've seen tell a story, ask questions, engage with their audience, share content that is relevant to problems that obviously your clients are coming to you for. But bottom of the funnel is the audience segment that you want to nurture the most, because those are the people who are going to purchase, or maybe if they've already purchased, may come back and repurchase again. So keeping that segment of your funnel audience so well nurtured and oiled in terms of a machine is so important, because those are where the repeat buyers come. Now, as I mentioned before in my video Marketing 101, what is a sales funnel, I cover the 5 stages. It's usually 4 stages covered by the IDA model, which stands for awareness, interest, desire, and action. Then I like to add in a 5th stage, retention. So if you want to learn more about those stages, make sure you check out my video Marketing 101, what is a sales funnel. That basically talks about monitoring conversion rates and how to implement that into your business. When it comes to funnels, there are so many ways they work. It could be in terms of an email funnel, it can be in terms of a purchase experience, it can be of the upsells and downsells and tripwires your brand might have in terms of, if they're not interested in this product, what other products can we offer instead. So there are constant funnels everywhere in your everyday marketing, and if you're watching this video, I want you to start taking note of different funnels that you see in your everyday. An influencer is posting on social media telling you to download their freebie, that is part of the funnel. If they're telling you to purchase a product after you've downloaded the lead magnet, that is part of the funnel. If they are sending you emails weekly or every other day or monthly, that is still a part of the funnel. So you want to understand this in a big picture, because it is so powerful when you start to understand it and you start to see other businesses doing it, because there are lots of businesses out there that do this really well. So when you start taking notice of the different strategies or different types of marketing sales funnels that already exist with the brands you already interact with, the more you'll be inspired to implement similar funnels and similar funnel structures into your business, so that you can be set up for customer success and buyer success and purchase success and overall business success. So I hope that video helped kind of explain what is a sales funnel and how it works. Again, I know I mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but if you're interested in learning ways to make money online and figure out the exact strategy about how this 62-year-old grandma 5 figures in just 90 days, we'll be sharing that exact strategy in the workshop. So make sure you check the link in my description to find out more. And thanks so much for watching and being here, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.